Luxury brands have a dirty secret. Most of them are wasting millions on marketing that doesn't work. And in 2026, the smartest ones finally figured out what to do about it. I'm going to break down exactly what's happening in luxury marketing right now and why the biggest names in Dubai, Singapore, and Sydney are making a radical shift. Let's start with the problem. Luxury marketing is fundamentally different from mass market. Your audience is tiny, maybe 10,000 people in a city who can actually afford what you're selling. Traditional agencies treat luxury the same as everything else. Broad targeting, generic creative, vanity metrics. They'll show you impressions and click-through rates, but none of that matters when your average client is worth $500,000 in lifetime value. What luxury brands actually need is precision, the ability to identify the right person with the right message at the right moment. And until recently, that required an army of human marketers who understood the nuances of high-net-worth communication. That's where AI changed everything. Modern AI marketing platforms can now analyze behavioral patterns at a granular level. They know when a prospect is researching yacht charters versus fine dining versus wellness retreats. They can adjust the creative, the channel, and the timing, all in real time. Let me give you a concrete example. A luxury property developer in Dubai was spending $300,000 a year across 2 agencies. Their marketing generated leads, sure, but 80% were unqualified tire kickers. They implemented BoostenX, and within 60 days, their qualified lead rate jumped from 20% to 68%. Same budget, same market, completely different results. Because the AI was filtering at the top of the funnel, not the bottom. Here's another one. A high-end concierge service in Singapore was manually personalizing emails for 500 clients. It took their team 20 hours a week just to maintain client communications. With BoostenX's workflow automation, every client now receives content tailored to their specific interests, automatically. The team freed up 20 hours a week, and client engagement went up 40%. Now the question everyone asks, can AI really handle luxury tone of voice? Yes, and here's why. The latest generation of AI models understand context, subtlety, and brand voice at a level that would have been impossible 2 years ago. You train the system once on your brand guidelines, and it maintains that voice across every channel, every market, every language. No more briefing new agency teams, no more inconsistent messaging across regions. The luxury brands winning in 2026 are the ones who understood something fundamental. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's replacing inefficiency. The creative direction still comes from humans. The execution, optimization, and scaling. That's where AI dominates. BoostenX was built from the ground up for exactly this use case. Enterprise-grade AI marketing with governance, compliance, and multi-market orchestration. Founded in 2020 by David Chua Son, who saw that the biggest gap in enterprise marketing wasn't strategy, it was execution. If you're in luxury and still running